Today, I'm checking out these vacuum seal travel bags. So if you've ever traveled and you're trying to get all your stuff into your suitcase and you're just having a difficult time because, well, clothes take up space, these might come in handy. Let's see what's in the box and I'll show you how they work. All right, so in the box, you have a shoe bag, 2 shoe bags. Then you have 2 of the vacuum seal bags that are about like this here. So there's 1, and there's number 2. And then of course you have the little vacuum itself. The cool thing about the vacuum itself, it is USB charged. So you just plug in your USB-C there to get it charged up. It does come with a cable in its nice little baggie. Press and hold the power button and the light comes on indicating the unit is now powered up. This button here turns on a flashlight. It has different levels of brightness and strobe and SOS pattern. So that's kind of handy that you have another flashlight hanging around. Press the power button a second time and you can hear the fan comes on. There's a lower setting and then of course off. So let's get one of these bags loaded. I've got a bunch of clothes over here. I'm gonna load the bag up and we'll see how well it works. Okay, so got some gym clothes here. Have some business clothes. Some more gym clothes. And some random t-shirts and stuff. All right. Now this isn't stuffed all the way full, but it's still pretty full. The zipper's pretty tight because it does have to create a seal. And you gotta make sure to get this all the way closed. The first time I tried it, I didn't get it all the way closed and I was like, why is this not working? So now, press and hold the power button until the light comes on. And then you just line it up with the little port right here and press the power button again. And now it's gonna start to vacuum seal this bag. And you can see it is just pulling it down. And you just seal it off like that. And there you go. Clothes are vacuum sealed, ready to go in your travel bag. That will definitely increase the amount of space that you have in that bag and allowing you to get more stuff in there. It would have been even better if I'd have taken more time and made the clothes flatter in there. I probably could have added a good bit more clothes. But let's let the air back in. As you can see, that's a pretty good size difference there. If you need some extra space in your suitcase when you're traveling, gotta get you one of these clothing bags that will vacuum seal and just compress all your clothes so you have more room to fit stuff.